As a productivity presenter and trainer, I've worked with businesses in all industries, and I'm often asked, how do I get people to reply to my emails? There's 5 reasons why people may not reply to your emails, and here's how to fix them. The first is lack of clarity. Somewhere in the message, it's not clear that a response is required. The solution? Make what you're asking clear in your emails. Using bulleted points, for example, draws the reader's eye to the points. Number 2, expectation. No expectation of a response date is indicated. So, for example, I need a response to this by Friday. The solution? Set up an expectation of when you need a response by. A handy tip is to use the flag feature in Microsoft Outlook to flag the message to pop up and remind the reader they need to respond. The third reason could be too many things. Because of the instantaneous nature of emails, it can be easy to try and cram several questions, requests, or actions into one email, often making it overwhelming for the reader. When we're overwhelmed, sometimes the easiest thing to do is to do nothing. So that's what we do. The solution? Simplify your emails by keeping questions, items, or requests to ideally no more than 3 per email. And try crafting subject lines that better reflect the content of the email. For example, 3 things we need to do before Tuesday's client meeting. Number 4, too many emails. This is the story of all our lives. How do you make your email stand out in a sea of electronic messages? The solution: consider whether a telephone call or an online meeting would get the result you need faster. A telephone or online meeting call enables you to have a conversation and can often provide more insight than an email chain. Number 5, doing other things. Not everybody has their email open all day at work, and really nor should we. Most people have other things they need to do than respond to your emails. The solution? Firstly, recognise that your priorities aren't the same as everyone else's. Don't email someone if you need a response in the next 5 minutes. Use email for questions, actions, or requests that you're happy to receive, say, sometime that day or the next morning, for example. If you expect others to respond to your timelines, you're going to be disappointed. If you want to get more productive with Microsoft Outlook, take a look at my short online webinar designed to fast-track your productivity with Microsoft Outlook and help you manage your email at the same time. Go to tinyurl.com/webol.